There is a fear of failure or self-doubt.
Yeah.
So, being a psychologist working for a number of years, Rekhatai can guide us on this point. Ki if there is a failure or self-doubt, how it is to be work. Hello, dear friends. Welcome to our episode. Many times when we do business, there is a fear of failure or self-doubt.
Yeah.
So, being a psychologist working for a number of years, Rekhatai can guide us on this point. Ki if there is a failure or self-doubt, how it is to be work.
Absolutely. And I'll tell you one thing. I have observed that many times, due to their fear of failure or due to their self doubt, people they start their business, they take a few steps ahead, they reach some small success, and then their business goes off because they cannot manage the failure or they cannot manage the success, and or they keep on doubting themselves. Now,
Is it because of the lack of self-confidence?
yes, lack of self confidence, and in addition to that, especially we find this majority in our Maharashtrian family, let me tell you, that people are used to doing a job, not doing a business.
Right.
And so, people are not ready to face the risks. That means their what you can call as contingency management skill is not even zero, it is minus 100.
Right.
And that is why the first calamity, first challenge, and they are punished.
Step by step, go ahead, embrace the journey, bold and new. Cross all hurdles, reach the goal, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.
But is it because of their used to a 9 to 5 job and assured income? They are so much used to it. They are themselves conditioning their mind.
No, right from the childhood, the parents keep on conditioning their mind. You should do this, you should do that, you should earn like this, and you should not take risks. The parents do not entertain or encourage the children to take any kind of a risk. That is the biggest challenge. You know what happens? Have you seen in majority of the family, if a child falls down and starts crying, "Arey, what happened? What happened to my baby? This, that, blah, blah, blah." The parents or grandparents, they pamper the child so much just because of a little bit of failure. So the children are not used to facing, handling any kind of adversity.
Right. They want something, one
Secure.
should make it secured and ready-made for
And they
them.
want to be secure at the cost of somebody else.
Somebody else. Right. So, dear friends, you take all precautions of everything and we'll be guiding you from time to time
Yes.
as you do our course.
I would definitely for this. If at all you want to change this scenario, I would suggest the viewers, especially the new upcoming parents at you, that please do not instill this kind of an insecurity and self-doubt in your children.
Correct.
So that when they grow up, at least they will become entrepreneurs, if you are, right?
Perfect.
So that's it. And keep watching. And yes, again, I'm telling you, in the description down, you will find the link for our Unstoppable New Basic course. And very soon, the intermediate course is coming up where we will be discussing all these challenges, how to overcome. We are telling you, we are talking about challenges, how to overcome. And how to overcome these challenges from business point of view, how to discuss, how to think out of the box, Sanjuji has told, and how to handle your mind, I have spoken about. Right? So understand and do it. Definitely for this, if at all you want to change this scenario, I would suggest the viewers, especially the new upcoming parents at least, that please do not instill this kind of an insecurity and self-doubt in your children.
Step by step, go ahead. Embrace the journey, bold and new. Cross all hurdles, reach the goal.